Hello,
Hi,
good evening.
good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How are you?
I am doing very great. And what about you?
I'm doing great too. Thank you for asking. I really love this. Is this a bow? Is this a flower? What is it?
It's a hairband.
Hairband. Oh, it's like this kind of hairband. Just you
Yes,
wearing it. Okay, and there are flowers on it.
yes.
Oh, you look very pretty.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So how was your day?
It was very good. And I
Was
went to
it?
school. There,
Uh-huh.
there were two tests. One was SST test, and
Mm-hmm.
another was science test. So I got full
Okay.
marks in both of them.
In both of the tests. Oh my God! Congratulations. Did you tell your parents?
Yes, I told my parents.
Were they happy?
Yes, they were happy.
And were you happy?
Yes, I was happy.
Okay, so did you already know about the test, or was it a surprise test?
Yes, I knew about the test.
Oh, so it was a planned test. And how many marks? Like, what was the full marks?
My SST's full marks was 8 and my science full marks was 10.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, so do you know about today's topic?
Yes, yes, I know about it.
Okay,
But I forgot the topic. It is very difficult name.
yes, it's a very long word, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so the topic is unconventional skills and professions.
Okay.
So let's break it down. So, do you know what profession means?
No, I don't know.
Okay. So, profession means a job, okay, a career. Job, I think, right?
Yes, I know it.
Yeah. So, for example, your school teacher's profession is teaching, okay?
Okay.
Yes. So, just like that, an actor's profession is acting. So, whatever is when somebody asks what your profession, so tell me, what do you want to become when you grow up?
Uh,
Have you thought about it? Do you have any idea about it?
uh,
It's okay if you
no,
have not. Okay. Do
no.
you have anything in mind, like at least like what? Okay, what do you like the most when you see any grown-up person who's working? Do you like any of the jobs that you have seen people working?
Yes, I like the jobs and uh, and older people do their work very hard.
Yeah, people work very hard. So true. So yeah, like you like some jobs. For example, let's take your teacher again. Okay. So if I ask her that, ma'am, what is your profession? She will say teaching. I am a teacher. Okay. So we now
Okay.
know what profession means. Okay.
Yes.
Do you know what skill means?
Skill, I think,
Tell me.
mm, like I know how to play keyboard, so uh, it's my skill.
Exactly. Perfect. That is a skill. So knowing how to play the keyboard is a skill. Skill, another name for skill means talent. Right? Do
Okay.
you know the word talent?
Yes, I know.
Right, you can say my talent is playing the keyboard. So it's the same way my skill is my skill is knowing how to play the keyboard. Okay,
Okay.
so we now know and can let's forget the first word of the topic, unconventional skills and professions. Okay, now what is unconventional? Let's get into that. Do you Okay, so when we say unconventional, there are two parts to that word, un and conventional, right?
Yes.
And tell me, when there is un in front of a word, what does it mean?
It means the opposite of the actual meaning.
Exactly. So unconventional means something which is not conventional,
Okay.
right? Yes. So now we have to know, what does conventional mean,
Okay.
right? Yeah. So conventional means something which is very common, which is very usual. You see everywhere, something you see commonly around you. Okay, it is
Yes.
not that you will not get, you won't feel that, oh my god, this is very strange. Something you're very used to seeing around you.
Yes.
Okay, so that means that is what we mean by conventional.
Okay.
Now, what do you think unconventional would mean?
Unconventional means the things that are strange and that are not happened commonly.
Exactly. Perfect. You're very, very smart girl, I must say, Sneha. You got it the first time. Yeah. So unconventional means uncommon, unusual, something you don't see around yourself much.
Okay.
Okay. So our topic today is unconventional skills and professions. So do you know what, like, can you explain that in your own words? Just give it a try. It's okay if you I can explain it if you don't want to, but just give it a shot if you want.
Unusual skills and professions.
Yes. Yes. So something which we don't hear often, you know. For example, teaching, do you think it's it is conventional or unconventional teaching?
It is conventional.
Exactly. Or doctor, is it conventional or unconventional?
It is conventional.
Exactly. So you understood. So now topic today is unconventional. So there are a lot of different. So have you ever heard of any unconventional profession, that this person does something very strange for a living? Have you heard anything like that?
Mm, No, I haven't heard about unconventional.
Okay, okay, no worries. I will tell you some examples of unconventional skills and professions, okay?
Okay.
And then we'll talk about it. Okay, so the first one is ice cream flavor tester. This person must be tasting different flavors of ice cream, and they get money for that. They get a living for that. So what do you think? Is it a nice profession?
I did not understand it.
Ice cream,
Okay.
different ice cream has different flavors like vanilla, chocolate, and new flavors keep coming out in the market.
Yes.
So there must be some person out there whose job is to test every time a new flavor comes out in the market. So that is their job, that they have to taste the ice cream and tell that if they like the ice cream or not, and they get money for that. That is their whole job. So tell me, do you think this is a good profession?
No, it is not a good profession because if we keep tasting all the ice creams, new ice
Mm-hmm.
creams, then our money will be wasted.
But your money will not be wasted. So an ice cream company who's making a new flavor, they will hire you and they will pay you. They will give you money. You will get a salary for tasting every time they come out with a new flavor. So your money will not, you don't have to buy it. So that is why it is
Okay.
unconventional. Yes.
So it is good.
It is good, right? You can
Yes.
taste ice cream and they are paying you money for it. But what if the only problem is, what if they make, uh, for example, something like neem flavored ice cream? Will you like to taste it?
No, no.
Right? Or what is bottle gourd? Do you know what bottle gourd is?
Yes, I know.
Right, Loki. So what if they make bottle gourd flavor ice cream? Will you want to taste it?
No, not at all.
Right. So this is the disadvantage, but I think they will not make neem flavored ice cream, right? What do you think? Any
Yes.
company, will they make neem flavored ice cream?
No, no, they won't make any
Right.
name flavor ice cream.
Exactly. So tell me, do you, if you have the option, will you become an ice cream flavored tester?
Yes, of course.
Okay, you can do your research. You don't tell that I told you to become this, but just keep in your mind that maybe this is something I will do when I grow up. Okay. So maybe some
Okay.
days, maybe not your main career, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll give you another unusual, unconventional profession. Mattress tester. Have you heard about
Mattress.
this?
No, I haven't heard about this.
Okay. So there are mattresses on our beds, right?
Mattresses means the cloth that we put on the bed.
Not the cloth. Beneath the cloth, there's some cushions, right? The huge, this like fat. I don't know what else it's called. It's called mattress,
Yes.
right? Which gives you a
Okay.
cushiony effect, which is soft. Because if you directly lay on our bed, it is very hard. So we place some cushions and some mattresses to make it soft. You know what I'm
Yes,
talking about?
yes.
And then we
Okay.
put on the bed sheet. So that is a mattress. Okay. So
Okay.
mattress companies want mattress testers. So can you guess what is the job of the mattress tester?
Uh, mattress company will give the mattress tester to sleep on it.
Exactly. So your job will be to sleep on their mattress and they will give money for that.
Okay.
So do you think you would like that?
Yes, I would love that.
Do you love to sleep?
Yes.
Yes. So this is also an unconventional profession. you know I forgot, some company, Sleepwell or some company, recently came out with a new mattress, and they had put out an advertisement, and some of my friends, they had actually filled in the form to become a mattress tester, but there so many people actually filled in the form that a lot of people did not get the chance. So yes, it is rare, it is unusual, but it does happen. So you can keep this also in your
Okay.
mind if you want to become this,
Yes.
right? Okay. What else? Yeah. Do you know there are hand and okay, do you know what a model is?
Model.
Yeah, modeling models.
Yes, I know.
You know? Do you know any, can you name any model?
No, I don't know any model.
Okay. Okay, so who are models? Tell me. What do models do?
Models do modeling.
Yeah. Okay. And like what, they are into fashion, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So they wear different clothes and they walk and they show, and there are different kinds of models. Okay.
Yes.
So some models do walk on the runway. Have you watched any shows like that where, people are walking on the runway, catwalk, it's called,
Yes. Ramp walk.
right? Ramp walk. Exactly. Correctly. And there are a lot of models when, you do online. Do you do online shopping? When or maybe your parents do online
Yes,
shopping,
yes.
right?
Yes.
So have you seen, if you buy clothes online, so when you're buying the clothes, somebody is wearing those clothes?
Yes, there is a paper and in it
Yes,
someone is
yes,
wearing that cloth.
yes, exactly. So those are also models. They are not walking on the ramp walk, but they are photography models. They shoot for photos. Okay. So
Yes.
like that, so these are common. You have heard about this. There is one uncommon uh, profession, hand or leg models. So like just the
Hand.
hands or the leg, hand or leg models.
No, I haven't heard about it.
Yes, but this also happens. So can you guess, when do we need hand models? What do we need hand models for? Do you have any idea? Can you think and tell me?
No, I don't know what is hand model.
Okay, so I'll tell you. For example, have you ever seen advertisements of nail polish,
Yes, yes, I've
right?
seen.
Or on the TV there comes Tanishq or other jewelry companies. They are they are putting out the advertisements for finger rings or some other jewelry, some bangles. So that
Yes,
time they show the hands, right?
yes,
So if you have beautiful hands and the company that is hiring you, they like you, like they like how your hand looks, you can become a hand model. So you'll have to put on nail polish or whatever the company tells you. So this is also a job.
okay. Yes, I've seen it. I've seen the pictures of hand models on nail
Uh-huh.
polishes.
Right? Exactly. So normal, like they need specifically hand models for that. The same way leg models, I think for there would be some, for example, shoes, when you buy shoes or sandals, so that time also we see pictures, right? So for
Yes,
that, we will need leg models. So there are a lot of these kinds of different professions. So what do you think? Hand model, leg model, is it a good profession?
yes, it is also a good profession.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, what else? There are a lot of, I'll give you some things. I'll give you some names. Game tester. So you have to test how the new video game is. They will pay you for that. So is that a good one?
Yes, yes, it is also
So
a good one.
interesting, right? The normal
Yes.
ones are so boring. All of these are so interesting. Then there's Netflix viewer. You know what Netflix is?
No, I don't know.
Okay, so like we watch movies and TV shows these days on the phone.
Yes.
So Netflix is just one of the companies that helps, like it's a platform where we can watch movies and TV shows. So somebody will pay you to watch movies and TV shows. So that is also another job.
It is also a very good
Right?
job. Yes.
Yes. So you can keep all of these in mind when growing up, when you decide what you want to become. You can tell your parents that I want to become something like this, but maybe not the main career, maybe something on the side, right? Okay,
Yes.
Sneha, our time is almost up. I really love talking to you, and you're speaking very nicely. You use a lot of good words and your grammar is perfect, so I don't know what feedback to give you. And you're very young, so I think anyway you learn a lot with time. So it was lovely talking to you.
Okay. Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Yeah, same here. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.